Hi, this is Jason Sagayar. My student ID is 15891617. This presentation is for 7045 SSL, Business Analytics and Intelligence. In this presentation, I am talking about the equal clothing and retail companies. This is the table of content. It contains about equal clothing and retail companies, data compilation, data visualization, descriptive analysis, predictive analytics, and recommendation and conclusion. UK clothing and retail companies. We used 5 companies for our analysis. It's namely Access PLC, Boohoo, H&M, Next PLC, and River Island. Uh, Access PLC established in 2000. Focus young 850 brand, focus young and 850 plus brands, strong online platform. Boohoo is established 2006. It has multiple brands, fast fashion, social media marketing, and H&M found in 1947, worldwide fashion retailer, affordable and trendy, and function online and offline. And Next PLC is found in 1982, online and physical store available, effective digital marketing, and the last one, uh, River Island, established in 1948, family-based sales and operates physical and online. Uh, Coming to the next style, this slide contains about the key analytical focus. The variables that have collected from the dataset are managed and dependent. The key analytical focus: workforce size versus profitability relationship, financial trend and profitability recovery over time, and the last one, liquidity, gearing, and risk reduction. This slide contains the analysis flow. Uh, In our analysis, the data is collected from the FAME data set. The data of 5 companies are pre-processed and compiled and explored in Excel. Later, exploratory data analysis is carried using the collected data. Descriptive analysis is carried to identify the strength of the business. The correlation and regression are also evaluated. Coming to the next slide, data compilation. We extract all the key financial and employees data for each 5 UK clothing texting companies to a new data extraction sheet and compiled them in a one table combined company data. We process to format each column and with the appropriate format, example, numbers of easy manipulation and creation of exploratory data analysis visualization. Coming to the next slide, it's about the data visualization. This is intercompany performance. We created a visualization filter sheet where we created several pivot table for drawing pivot charts and interactive visual depiction regarding information from a pivot table. A pivot chart can be employed to rapidly examine and spot patterns and trends in huge database. Intercompany comparison compared to its competitors, and Next PLC posted the highest community margin. It's about the 158.35% which implies high levels of operational efficiency and profitability. River Islands has the 48.48% and H&M 23.94%, and Boohoo has 18.84. And earned moderate profit margin in the line with a low cost fast fashion business. Whereas coming to the Assets PLC had an insignificant negative margin attributed to recent difficulty in cost of managed and post-pandemic demand changes. It had only minus 0.79. In analyzing profit before taxation, Riverline recorded the best value of 461 million, demonstrating its strong financial status and profitability in physical retail. It was followed by Boohoo Group. It had PS 13.7 million and Next PLC 6.87 million, both reporting positive pre-tax earnings. Conversely, Asus PLC incurred a loss of 1,30,800, which implies that it is still involved the restructuring, whereas H&M, um, 2,65,652 generated slight profitability through its UK business. And coming to the next slide, data visualization trends over time. Based on the visualization analysis, it was noted that Next PLC had highest number of employees in the group and counted 3,14,172 employees, indicating its wide scope of retail and logistics services throughout the UK. This was processed by H&M with 63,350 employees and River Island with 58,802 employees based on their extensive store networks and physical retail presence. Asus had 31,045 and Boohoo Group had 24,057 employees, each in smaller teams in line with their own online business lean operating models. Coming to the next slide, it's a sample dashboard of charts. It has line chart, bar chart, pie and donut chart, radar chart. Line chart, it is useful when tracking changes in profit and turnover and employees. Hence, helps managers to see the growth patterns and seasonal variation over time. And bar chart contains it enables comparison between the companies. Example, Next, H&M, and Boohoo. Like and pie chart document charts, they are used to illustrate proportional data, such as each company share the total profit or employees. Like and radar chart, these are used to compare multiple performance metrics. And coming to the next slide, it is a descriptive analysis. On descriptive analysis, we used the data analysis tool and selected descriptive analysis when we then selected the data table range and specified the first row of label. Also check the summary and confidence interval as show the above. And this is the statistics summary. Overall insights. The dataset contains 45 observations across key business metrics. Average company turnover was estimated to be 265 million, but large variability it 352 million. So significant size difference among firms. And workforce metrics also average employees, the employee high number count, like and financial performance, mean profit margin, high skewness, and kurtosis, and the return on shareholders fund, and liquidity ratio, and last one, gearing. This is the predictive analytics correlation. In correlation analysis, we click the data tab, then navigate to the data analysis tool, then click the correlation. There we selected the table range of analysis. Coming to the next, the predictive analysis correlation matrix. In correlation analysis, we click the data tab, then navigate to the data analysis tool, then click the correlation. There we selected to the table range of analysis and add color for easy mapping and visualization correlation. And correlation and key finding in this analysis, our dependent variable is profit before taxation. Shareholder funds, strong positive relationship and the profit margin, and the um, strategies directly contributes to profitability, liquidity ratio, return on capital employed, like all about these. Predictive analytics, it's a regression. We used the data tab, click the data analysis tool, then select the regression, the process to set our y variable and x variable range. We also selected the several options. Example, confidence level of 95%. And coming to the next, predictive analysis regression, these are above our result key coefficients. And this is the predictive analysis results. And coming to the conclusion, model evaluation, managerial insight. It's all about these um, 5 UK clothing and retail companies. It has good complementary power, and the manager for insight is focus on improving and empowering the shareholders' equity. It generates profitability. Thank you.